Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play 100 days at sea in Roblox. If you have been hearing about 100 days at sea on Roblox and want to know how to play it, you have come to the right place. To get started, you need to open the Roblox app. So over here on the top there's this search icon. Select that search icon. And from here what you need to do is type down 100 days at sea and select this in the top. And over here you need to select this in the top. And here what you need to do is tap this play icon in the bottom right. So over here again select play. Here you can also create a party. You can select 1, 2 or 3 party here as well. And after you're done, select create. And when you first spawn in the game, you need to take a few minutes to look around and become familiar with the controls and user interface, and depending on the version of the game. Your main objective is to survive for as many days as possible. You need to collect the resources as well, and whenever you can, manage your supplies carefully and use the materials you gather to improve your raft or equipment. And as you continue playing, you'll encounter new challenges and changing weather conditions and other dangers that you'll need to overcome to stay alive. Here you can simply select this right icon to jump, and you can also select this left icon to shoot here as well, and select sprint. And that is it. That's how you can start playing 100 days at sea in Roblox. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.